Hey, it's Dr. Erica Jones, MD. I'm back to drop some facts for you. Now, I want to talk about brain health. If you've been paying any attention to the health and wellness sector, brain health is a top topic. Now, I want to talk to specifically people who understand that there are a lot of health disparities that exist. And one of the major things that I see is the effects of stroke on the black and brown community. Now I'm going to read off my phone because I need y'all to understand that these statistics, geez, oh my gosh, they're just astounding. They're very astounding. African Americans are disproportionately affected by stroke. Did you know that African Americans are 50% more likely to have a stroke than white adults? And even more alarming, black men are 70% more likely to die from a stroke than non Hispanic white men. Black women, pay attention to what I'm about to tell y'all, because this fact right here, it's really, really, really sad. Black women are 80% more likely to die from a stroke than non Hispanic white women. We got to do better. We have got to do better. This healthcare system, what's happening in America, being able to control our chronic health diseases and even prevent the chronic health diseases that we are suffering from, y'all, we've got to do better. And it's going to take a collective effort. There are some major things that can affect your brain health. And one of the major things that people really need to be aware of is the things that we're putting into our bodies. So smoking. If you smoke, you got to stop. You have to stop smoking if you want to live a longer, healthier life. I'm talking about the vapes. I'm talking about the occasional hookahs. I'm talking about all of it, the cigarettes, the cigars. You have got to stop smoking to live a longer and healthier life.